Hey everyone, Andy AI. Today, I'm excited to announce the launch of my first idea in 2025. Let's take a look at Hacker Launchpad. So if you recall from last video, my goal of the first idea is giving me the ability to launch future ideas even faster. For me, I typically use JavaScript. I'm going to use Node.js. I'll use React with JavaScript. But I know other people may use other languages like Golang and Python, so I wanted to make sure that this tool that I built can help others as well, not just myself with JavaScript. So if you head over to hackerlaunchpad.com, you're going to get greeted with a very quick wizard to get you started. It's going to ask you for a language. Here you can see we've got 3 languages right now: JavaScript, Golang, and Python. A little description about each, some key features. If you want to learn more about these languages or anything as we're going through this wizard, there's Learn More buttons which link to their websites that can give you more information about them. So in this case, let's take a look at JavaScript. We're going to click on JavaScript. A couple things you'll notice here: it's building a little breadcrumb for us in case we needed to go back, select a different language or a different framework. We get a project type, whether we want backend or we want front end. In this case, let's take a look at front end. We have 3 different frameworks right now. Again, this can grow. If it's missing a framework that you want, please reach out. There's a little section here for feature your framework. Fill this out. I'll take a look and we can add it in there. Here we'll select React. And I did my best to, say how hard it is to work with some of these frameworks. React, pretty intermediate. You can get started pretty quickly, especially now with a startup template. We'll select React. You get a styling framework as well. Tailwind and Bootstrap are 2 very popular frameworks. Again, choose which one you feel comfortable with. There are links to learn more about each one of these. So if you needed to find out what sort of styling guides that they have, here's a way to do it. We'll select Tailwind, and then you review your selection and very simply download your template. This is going to give you a zip file which you can unpack. There's a README inside of each one of these, and you can get started right away. If we jump back over to language, we could see, again, Golang, Python. We'll select Python. Maybe we want to select backend this time. And again, very similar to JavaScript, different frameworks: Django, Flask, Fast API. Similarly, if there's more that you want, please reach out and then download your template. So now the next thing I want to walk through is, where is this idea going to go? Well, it's definitely going to help me get started faster, and hopefully you get started faster as well. I'm going to plan to add more languages, more frameworks. There could potentially be a marketplace in here, maybe a place for you to upload your own templates so you can get started. Maybe yours is slightly different than mine. I also want to have the ability to add more modules. Maybe you want to have an authentication layer on top of this. So ways to expand upon building your template. So stay tuned for that. So thanks again for checking out Hacker Launchpad. In a future video, I'm going to talk about all the different AI tools that I use to build these ideas and build them quickly. I still don't know what my next idea is going to be, so make sure you like and subscribe. And if there's any feedback, please drop it in the comments below. Thanks, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.